Here we is, northeast of Tecumseh. Looks like it comes some pretty heavy drifts out here. We passed some by a minute ago that really was bigger. But that's some pretty big drifts coming off of there. There's a fence over there in a big open field. I'd say that's some pretty good snow for Oklahoma way. Look at that. Looks like a damn glacier. Many snows, much snows. And they say it's supposed to snow again tomorrow. We are out exploring F-150 4x4 power.
Yeah.
Well, kids, say hi, kids.
Hi.
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 And here we are. Well, I guess, oh, look at that. 23 degrees, balmy, heat wave, signing out.